What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here the best app and exchange in my opinion to buy low cap coins or upcoming coins that are just getting listed or are very new in their stages. Okay, so this app and exchange is the best one and really simple to use, and you can sign up in the description and the comments below by using my referral code. I think you get like a promotion or something. So this app is called Bitmart. Okay, Bitmart. The one key thing to note, guys, is that after you guys buy your crypto on here, you don't have to keep it on here. Okay, if you don't trust Bitmart, you could just use this as an exchange to just buy and sell crypto. Okay, you don't have to keep it on here. You can send it to a cold storage wallet. The ones that I recommend is Exodus, Atomic Wallet, and some other ones. I actually made a video on how to secure your crypto for the cheapest way possible. I'll leave it right over here in the cards if you want to see that. If you don't want to buy a cold storage wallet at the moment, maybe it's too expensive, definitely check out that video because you can secure your crypto for free just by using a hot wallet, and I show you in that video. So why do I think Bitmart is great for buying low cap coins? So as you guys can see right here, they have a huge variety. If you just go to the markets, they have Safe Moon, and they have a bunch of other ones here as well. And I love exploring here the markets because here in the markets you can sort of do your own research and click last price. You can click 24-hour change, so you can see which ones have been getting the crazy changes. So this one, for example, is up 142%. So, you know, I never heard of this coin. And one cool thing about Bitmart, if you go right here to the coin info, you can learn. They have a summary about the coin that you can basically read and learn what it's about. And they also leave their website and white paper, okay, which is pretty cool. So you can sort of research here and see which ones are doing crazy changes, 24-hour change going up, or even 24-hour change going down. So right here, this one's negative 91% down. Okay, and there's a lot of coins here that you didn't even know about, and there's so many types of coins here that you guys have never even heard about. Safe Sun, like there's so many. I think Elongate is also on here, Full Send. So if you are confused about Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap and MetaMask and all that stuff, I definitely recommend this app right here because this app is really simple to use, and you can buy it on here and then send it to a cold storage or a cold wallet. Now the thing is, to send your money on here, you can't connect the bank. Okay, it's similar to Kucoin, in which you need to send over crypto in order to buy crypto on here. Don't worry, that's very simple and easy to do. I made a video on how to fund your Kucoin account, and it works the same way with Bitmart. All you basically do is you go on one of your other exchanges that you have, you buy a certain coin on there that doesn't have any withdrawal fees, and then you just withdraw it from there over to Bitmart, and then here on Bitmart you sell it for USD Tether, and then with USD Tether you can basically buy any coin on here that is literally low cap or anything like that. Okay, so it's really simple to do. So don't get scared about, you know, not having the bank to connect and all stuff. You can just literally send crypto over here just by following a few steps. And another thing to note, guys, is that Bitmart is really good on fees. Okay, when you're buying coins here, they're really good on fees, and they're really good on withdrawing fees too when you do withdraw your crypto. So I definitely recommend Bitmart. Check it out. Okay, like I said, go right here in the markets and you just look at all the coins and tokens that they have. It's a huge amount, guys. There's so much types of coins here, so definitely check it out. Do your research before buying anything. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes only, so definitely check it out and leave a like and comment below if you guys got any questions. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.